Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button. We'll get this video started. I just do a quick video tutorial here on a Ford Escape and a Ford Focus, where your primary and secondary fuse boxes are located, like I said, on a Ford Escape and a Ford Focus. The primary fuse box is located underneath the hood on the driver's side. And it's, when you open the hood up, it doesn't matter which engine you got, whether you got the EcoBoost or whatnot. The fuse box is right on the driver's side. And unfortunately, it's not labeled to tell you what fuses and relays are what. But there's a clip right here on the back side of the fuse panel that you gotta pop it loose, and then it lifts up and slides forward to lift the cover off here. It's kind of a tricky design by Ford. You set the cover up out the way. I said, and this is your primary fuse box. I said, and that's on a Ford Escape and a Ford Fusion. And flip the cover over here. I said, it tells you on your diagram on the back of the cover as far as which ones are labeled for what. So when you're in the owner's manual, you know, you got your like for the R2 right there, that one's for your air conditioning, you know, whether you're doing for the air conditioner or a fuel pump or any of the other fuses that are located in your primary box on that vehicle. But unfortunately, they're not labeled as marked with a you know, like a paper printout decal. You have to look in the manual or go online, you know, on Haynes.com or Ford.com or even the owner's manual online to tell you which locations are for what, you know, fuses and relays. The cover does not tell you. It does come with a little fuse remover down here. In order to put it back on, you have to put the back up in there, then rotate it down in the front, stick the front cover over the tabs so they lock on. So there's little tabs that stick out down in there. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. And they latch up under it. And then it pops back and rotates back and then snaps down. I said there's a clip right here in the back side of it, and that's what locks it on. And it's also got a rubber seal that goes around the box that keeps it, you know, water from getting in, and, you know, dust and debris and whatnot. All right, well, like I said, that's your primary fuse box. Now we'll go around to the secondary fuse box. Alright guys, you come around to the back of the vehicle and you release your lever here to open it up, and as it opens, and it's located on the passenger side behind this kick panel. This kick panel, order to remove this kick panel, it's got this little plastic tab. You rotate it and then it pulls out. And then you just gotta, it's got these little one-way clips, one right here and one right here. You just gotta give it a good yank. And then here inside here is your secondary fuse panel, and this just has like, it has your fuel pump relay and your rear power outlet and the rear cargo lights, and it also has your main fuse for the hatch here, for the electronic hatch that comes up and down, you know, because it's a motorized hatch. I'm saying this is where your secondary fuse box is located, and that's on a Ford Escape and a Ford Fusion. I said, in this cover, it's got these little tabs. They just got these little grooves right there. They sets there, rotates up, and then you give it a good push with the cover, and they snap back in. Then you take the tab, lift it up, and it goes in a, and then you twist, and it locks on. Like I said, that's where the secondary fuse and relay cover is located. Like I said, that is on the passenger side in the rear of the vehicle. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.